Hey guys, good morning. It's 13th January and let's look at the forex markets before we start the New York session. I'm trying to go short here. For the last week, we had a bull run, very strong bull run on the GBP USD pair, and seems like it started going ranging this week, and it tried to move one leg up over this 1.21 mark, and it's still stagnating at 1.22. Seems like the banks are trying to push it up, but we'll have to see when the New York session starts today. There's quite a group of interesting news sessions today, but seems like there's not much of a change in statistics. So from other conventional local media news, it seems like the UK market is struggling these days with quite an unpleasant financial outcome. So seems like the GBP USD pair is going to be quite stagnant, or it's going to try to pull back down to the 1.20 mark. So we'll have to see how it goes today. But seems like even though we take the dynamics, the stochastics, we see it's quite in a ranging mode, and there's nothing much to grasp from the market except if we check the pip count of the current range. It's about 170 pips for in a 4-hour time range, and for a lot of guys who's doing scalping, it might look huge, but let me just go to the 5-minute time frame so you can see the range still. And let's take the high to low range here. So this would be probably the maximum scalp we'll be taking. There's 65 pips. That's the London session today morning. So it had quite a move down, and then it also had a similar move today morning when London session started. It had about another 60 pips up, but currently the market is stagnant and we are waiting for the New Yorks to open. So let's move to Euro USD, not a pair that I usually trade because of its slow nature. I'm usually a scalper, but seems like the euro is trying to take a hit today. And let's see where the next point is. Probably we are looking at this range at about 1.76. That's the safe range I would take, or probably till this order block of 1.75, which probably would be wicked before either retesting or breaking through. But it's a good trade, guys. You can check. There's roughly a distance of let's check, 30 pips. So it's a good scalp if you want to check today. So but make sure that you guys wait until you retest this line. This line should be retested, and to make sure the downtrend is continuing. So let's move to the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar is taking a hit today. You can see the London session has been good for short traders on Aussie dollar today. From London session, we see that somewhere around 26 have been lower. So for scalpers, that's a good thing. Let's just check the 4-hour time frame for the swing traders. So in the 4-hour time frame, it's just a pullback, you see. So let's see whether this channel is maintained, and if the channel is maintained, we are looking at still a very bullish run. So it all depends on what New York session does. So Aussie dollar has been in a bull run for a while, and if we see if there are any divergences, yes, you can see a nice bearish divergence here, and you can see that here there's a divergence forming. So probably we might see the break of structure and either reversal. Most likely Aussie dollar would be stagnant for a while because it's the weekend coming. And finally, one of my other favorites other than the GBP pair, it's the JPY pair. So you know that the correlation between JPY and GBP is quite, on the opposite ends. You see the market is being downtrending for a while now, and it's maintaining the downtrend. currently it's at a low, so don't enter at this place. Most likely you'll have to wait until a pullback today, and it's at a quite sort of a low place. And let's see if there's any divergences for the swing traders. Seems like yeah, seems like there is a bit of a no, no, no. There's no divergence as such. Still, it's going and the momentum is continuing. I think it's quite too early for us to say. Let's see when the price makes a pullback. Let's see how high the stochastic would go, and then we can predict about a divergence. But make sure that you guys keep an eye on JPY if you are trading USD, GBP, and USD Euro, because they are quite inversely correlated, and you can see an opposite price movement where you can grab a few pips in the market. From news events, it's just the same news events today. So let's see how it goes. Good luck trading, guys, and be safe, and wish you a great weekend ahead. See you, bye.